everyone, in today's session we will see the second part of the C language. What is keyword in C language? Okay, and keyword is a reserved word whose meaning is already defined in the compiler. Okay, keyword, what is keyword? Keyword is a reserved word. So many keywords are there. There are 32 keywords in the C language like int, char, float, double, void, auto, register, return, extern, go to, break, continue, do, switch, cache, while, for, constant, if, else, enum, signed, unsigned, static, size of sort, union, type diff, volatile, default, long, struct. Okay, there are 32, these 32 keywords are there in C language. Okay, one note is there, we cannot use any language as a variable or as a method, otherwise the compiler will throw error. Let's see the example. Suppose int float equal to 1.2. okay, we can't use float as a variable because it's a keyword, so we can't use it. Okay, here we can't use it float as a variable because it's a keyword. And its meaning is already defined in the compiler, so we can't use it. Okay, next is comments. How to use comments in the compiler in the C language. Single line comments is defined as like this, to forward slash, and double line comment is this. We will see in the practical. Let's see in the practical.
Okay, in this practical lab we will see the double line and single line comments, how to use. See, forward slash, this is the print statement. Okay, this is the single line comment you can use. Okay, so by this you can use the single line comments. Okay, and double line comments also. See how to write double line comments. Forward slash, star, and then star slash. Within this you can write the multi-line comments. Okay, let's see how we can write. Okay, this is the this is the double line comment. You can use multiple comments here, and comments won't get executed. Okay, so see, this is double line comment, and you can use in multiple. Okay, you can use multiple cases. And thanks for watching, and like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Press the bell icon by which you will get the notification fast. Okay, thanks for watching. Like